If you're a student athlete, your life moves fast. Practice, classes, travel, competition, NIL opportunities, and expectations can feel like a full-time job. But while you're learning how to perform on the field or court, who's teaching you how to prepare for everything beyond it? That's where LP Wealth Group comes in. Our mission is simple: to help student athletes build the skills, habits, and mindset they need to succeed both during their athletic journey and long after it ends. On this channel, we focus on 4 key pillars: habits, money, NIL, and momentum. We'll break down practical habits that help you stay focused and disciplined. We'll make money concepts easier to understand so you can build smarter financial habits early. We'll explore NIL strategies and opportunities, helping you think beyond the next deal. And we'll talk about momentum, how to keep growing, adapting, and moving forward when your playing career changes. Everything is explained through simple, engaging whiteboard animations designed specifically for student athletes. Whether you're just starting your college career, building your NIL brand, or thinking about life after sports, LP Wealth Group is here to help you prepare for what comes next. So subscribe to the channel, follow along, and start building the habits, knowledge, and momentum for your future. Your sport is part of your story. Your future is the bigger picture.